First, go to the Output Properties tab. Here, you can adjust the resolution, aspect ratio, and set your frame rate, e.g., 60 FPS for smoother video. You can also set your frame range, for example, from frame 1 to 50 if you want to render the entire scene. Next, choose the output folder where your video will be saved. Click the folder icon and select a location, like your videos folder. Now, under File Format, select FFmpeg Video. Then, scroll down to Encoding. Set the container to MP4. Leave the video codec and other settings as they are. To export, go to the Render menu and choose Render Animation. Blender will now start rendering all frames in the specified range. You can monitor progress at the top left of the window. Once it's done, go to the folder you selected and you'll find your exported MP4 video. Play it back and you'll see the final result. And that's it. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.